What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today from the auction. I have got a 2017 Volvo S90. Look at this. This is a little baby doll right here, guys. It's a T5, which I think is the horrible edition. S90. She looks really good overall, except for right here. We do have boo-boo there. Interior, pretty good condition. Seats in good shape. We just have some light staining on the steering wheel and such. This car has 160,000 miles. So it does have some miles on it. Tires, rims look good. What we got on here? Pirellis. They're about 20% left. Not a ton of tread. Motor sounds good. I can't open the hood anymore on these at the auction. They will not allow us to do that because of people sabotaging the cars. Unplug a fuel injector or whatever, so it'll make a check engine light come on and make the car run like crap, and therefore it doesn't bring them the appropriate bids it should. So they won't let us open the hoods anymore. I like the start stop here. Turn here, turns the car off. Pretty cool. Twist it and see, of course, here's your little Volvo key. Twist the knob. She fires right up. This one doesn't have any warning lights except for we've got a tire pressure on the driver's rear and we are low on fuel. It says 30 miles to empty, so we're low on fuel. Thought I'd take it out on the little test track and we'll take her for a little spin. This is a very tight, comfortable car. And it feels really good to have 160 on it. I am noticing it's a much bigger car on the outside than on the inside. The room on the inside is much less than the room or how big it is on the outside. This is a long car, long wheelbase car. Should I go around? What should I do? Maybe go around? People just stop in the middle of the road all the time here. Ooh, a Hyundai Azera. Oh, what you talking about? Ooh, a Genesis G90. Flagship car right there, buddy. Those things sell cheap compared to what their window sticker is. Alright, let's see how much guts this old Volvo's got. Bet she does pretty good. Oh, yeah. Not super fast, but very peppy. That was 55 miles an hour right there. And I run out of runway. Yeah, very peppy. We'll do that one more time. I like that. Yeah, these T5s, I've heard mixed reviews about these motors, about oil consumption, oil leaks, lifter noise, but you know, you get one that's obviously been fairly well maintained, like this one. Turbo's good and strong. No smoke out the exhaust. And yeah, this is just a good proper running unit right here. This is a trade-in at the Toyota store. Kind of unusual. And there's me a Volvo XC90 I'm going to have to come check out. It does have a flat tire. But I do want to see that one. Anyway, 2017 Volvo S90. Pretty slick little car. I'm very impressed. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the old Volvo. I see a couple of more cars here I'm gonna have to test drive here. I got one that's real unusual, a Japanese import JDM car. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.